just ordered some new shoes from finishline.com and I just received them today by USPS. I'm gonna open the box and show you. I ordered they were on sale, a pair of Brandblack shoes. You can find them on Finishline and they look pretty good to me in the pictures. The design and everything was looking nice, so I ordered them. I needed a new pair of shoes. Here the box came today, and then I'm gonna open it, show you. It's called Brandblack. It's not Nike, not Under Armour, not New Balance, but I believe they're pretty good quality and they have really good designs. You can wear them like to gym, to play basketball, and all kind of other activities, running. A lot of Brandblack shoes are on sale now on Finishline. Here you go. Here you can see receipts and everything here. Let's put them on the side. Wow, these shoes, they look awesome. Look at that. It's the gray and gold color. You can see the front is all gray and the back has gold. The rubber is like kind of soft, so it gives you good cushioning. Here you can see how it is. These shoes, they were only like $30. They were on sale, and now some of them are even lower. Some of the designs. It's called Brandblack shoes. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but as you can see, they're very high quality shoes. They were probably in production, so they couldn't make a lot of sales, so they had to put them on sale or something. So Finishline has a lot of clearance and sale going on about these shoes, and this is a pretty good deal for $30. Look at these shoes. I mean, these are the particular low-cut basketball shoes. They're size 13. It's called Future Legend Low basketball shoes, gray and gold color. Here you can see Brandblack Future Legend Low. So they're amazing. Let me take both of them out of the box and show you. Here. They're size 13. I used to wear 12s, but my feet, after wearing Crocs all the time, my feet got bigger because Crocs are very wide and comfortable. So my feet grew a size. Here you can see it's some type of mesh, so it's very breathable. But I don't really play basketball, but I'm gonna wear them outside when I go out, or if I go to the gym. I need some new gym shoes to work out with, so this will work fine, See, it's got enough cushioning at the back. Let's see the inside of this, the insole. The inside, it's like very soft, so I'm sure it's very comfortable inside. Let's see. It looks like very wide and very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. It's got really good cushioning, arch heel support in the shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep wearing them outside and then let you guys know how they work out. Yeah, I love them. The design is perfect, and it's not too narrow like other, like Nike or any other brands. They're very narrow on the front these days. So these are has white toe box on the front. You can see how they are from the front. It's the front view of the shoes. It's very breathable at the front. So if you're working out, playing basketball or any other activity, your feet will be very comfortable in them. There's the logo, you can see Brandblack. It's a triangle, I don't know why. It's a nice, dark gold color design and outsole. And it looks like it's non-slip, so that's great for playing basketball, because you need to keep your balance while you make moves and jump. If you play basketball or any other sports, so you won't stumble, slip or fall if you wear this kind of basketball shoes. I know I played basketball for a while, so I know it has to be non-slip at the bottom. Otherwise, if you wear any other type of shoes that are not made for basketball or non-slip, you won't keep your balance and you will fall. So these shoes look perfect to me. And always, it's got very wide toe box. So a lot of people have wide feet, but most of Nikes and even other brands have very narrow toe box at the front. So I don't really like them. My feet get smashed on the front, so I need some white shoes, and these are very bad in white cut. And even though it's low, it has good support for your ankles, so your ankles won't twist. They're not that low, but they're lower than usual basketball shoes. Touch the inside, and if you push it down, you see it's kind of soft and comfortable inside. Yeah, they call them feature legend low. It's called Brandblack shoes. It's at size 13. I don't know what else to say. It comes in a very nice looking box. Look at this box. It's got a black box like this, and for $30 they come in a very nice looking black box. And if you look at the shoes, they're only $30. Some even other designs, other models even went down to like $20 in shine. So check it out. I'm wearing Crocs and I love them. I need some comfortable shoes to work out, and even when I walk around outside or running. I hope these shoes will do the job. Hopefully. Thank you.